Hi, 8th grade. So I'm going to go through some review with you from what we did on Thursday and Friday, just because I know when we sprang ahead, we kind of forgot. So I'm going to review with you how to figure out how many types of solutions you have for given linear equations. So take a look. We're going to fill in. So I'm just going to refresh you. When you have no solution, that means you have the same slope and a different y-intercept. When you have one unique solution, you're going to have a different slope, and you can either have the same or a different y-intercept. And when you have infinitely many solutions, everything about the lines are the same. So you're going to have the same slope and the same y-intercept. Remember, when you have no solution, it's parallel lines, so they do not intersect. When you have one unique solution, they have one point of intersection. And when you have infinitely many solutions, it's the same line. So remember, in order to figure out what type of solution you have to know your slope and your y-intercept. So in order to know your slope and your y-intercept, it needs to be in the format of y equals mx plus b. So the big thing is you got to remember it's y equals. So go ahead in your binder on page 168. I'm going to walk you through number 4, and then you could do 5 and 6 on your own for the rest of the fluency period. So again, here are your directions for today. You got to determine the type of solution each system has. So you need to know your slope and your y-intercept. So it needs to be in the form of y equals. So number 4, we have 3x plus 3y equals negative 21, and we have x plus y equals negative 7. So remember, it needs to look like y equals mx plus b, and right now, neither of these equations are y equals. So I'm going to take 3x plus 3y equals negative 21, and I'm going to solve for y. Remember, you want x and y on opposite sides. So I'm going to move 3x over to the other side. It becomes a negative 3x. So then I have 3y equals negative 3x minus 21. Remember, we actually have steps to walk you through this. So if you need help going through each step, refer back to those steps. So now my x and my y are on opposite sides. I need to get y alone, so I have to move this 3. 3 and y are being multiplied together, so I undo it with division. I divide everything by 3. Those 3 cancel, and I'm left with y equals negative 3 divided by 3. It's going to give me a negative 1x. Negative 21 divided by 3 is going to give me a negative 7 or minus 7. Now my m is negative 1. My b is negative 7. And that's for my first equation. Now I'm going to go through and do the same thing for x plus y equals negative 7. So I have x plus y equals negative 7. Again, my x and my y need to be on opposite sides. So I'm going to subtract x, because that's the opposite of x. So I have y equals negative x, which is also negative 1x minus 7. My m is negative 1. My b is negative 7. Now let's go ahead and compare. My m, or my slopes, are the same. Same slope. My y-intercepts, or my b, are both negative 7. So I have the same slope and the same y-intercept. So when I have the same slope and same y-intercept, I end up with infinitely many solutions. So now it's your job. Complete number 5 and number 6 now. Look back at the video as much as you like, and we're going to start a new lesson today.